Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 9, that is the living organisms, characteristics and habitats. इस वीडियो में मैं क्वेश्चंस को भी हिंदी में समझाऊंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं कीवर्ड से। First keyword is adaptation. The presence of specific features and habits which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Next keyword is aquatic habitat. The habitats of plants and animals that live in water are called aquatic habitats. Lakes, rivers, and oceans are some examples of aquatic habitats. Next keyword is biotic component. The organisms, both plants and animals living in a habitat, are its biotic components. Next keyword is excretion. The process of getting rid of waste by organisms is known as excretion. Next keyword is growth. Growth is defined as a gradual development in maturity, age, size, weight, or height. Next keyword is habitat. The surroundings where plants and animals live is called their habitat. Next keyword is living, having life. Next keyword is reproduction. Reproduction is the biological process by which new individual organisms, say offspring, are produced from their parents. Next keyword is respiration. When we breathe out, the air moves from inside our body to outside. Breathing is the part of a process called respiration. Next and last keyword is stimulus. A stimulus is something which causes a response. Now questions answers. First question is, what is a habitat? Habitat क्या है? Habitats consist of both biotic and abiotic factors. The organisms depends for food, water, air, shelter, and other needs on their habitat. Next question, how are cactus adapted to survive in a desert? डेजर्ट में जिंदा रहने के लिए कैक्टस कैसे अपने आप को वहां के अकॉर्डिंग ढालता है? आंसर, a cactus is able to survive in the desert due to the following features. First feature, cactus have long roots that go deep inside the soil for absorbing water. Next feature, leaves of the cactus present in the form of spines to prevent water loss through transpiration. Next feature, stem of the cactus is covered with a thick waxy layer to retain water. Next feature, modified flat green stem of cactus that prepares food by photosynthesis and conserves water. Now next question, fill up the blanks. First fill up, the presence of specific features which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called dash. Answer will be adaptation. Next fill-ups, the habitats of the plants and animals that live on land are called dash habitat. Answer will be terrestrial. Next fill-up, the habitats of plants and animals that live in water are called dash habitat. Answer will be aquatic. Next fill-up, soil, water and air are the dash factors of a habitat. Answer will be abiotic. Next fill-up, changes in our surroundings that make us respond to them are called dash. Answer will be stimuli. Next question, which of the things in the following list are non-living? Plow, mushroom, sewing machine, radio, boat, water, hyacinth, earthworm. इनमें से कौन नॉन लिविंग है? आंसर, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर plow, sewing machine, radio, boat. Next question, give an example of a non-living thing which shows any two characteristics of living things. कह रहा है कि एक एग्जाम्पल बताइए जिसमें दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स लिविंग थिंग का हो. आंसर, मोटर कार or vehicle is an example of a non-living thing that shows two characteristics of living things. Like the living thing, it can move from one place to another and it also requires energy to do work. Next question. Which of the non-living things listed below were once part of a living thing? Butter, leather, soil, wool, electric bulb, cooking oil, salt, apple, rubber. इस क्वेश्चन में कर रहा है कि इन नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स में से कौन एक बार लिविंग थिंग का पार्ट रह चुका है? आंसर, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स दैट वर वंस पार्ट ऑफ अ लिविंग थिंग: बटर, लेदर, wool, cooking oil, apple, rubber. Next question. List the common characteristics of the living things. Living things के common characteristics का list बनाओ. Answer. Living things have certain common characteristics. First, they need food, air and water. Second, they can respire. Third, they can grow. Fourth, they excrete. Fifth, they can reproduce. Next question. Explain why speed is important for survival in the grasslands for animals that live there. Hence, there are few trees or places for animals to hide in grasslands habitats. इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है समझाए कि एनिमल को ग्रासलैंड में रहने के लिए स्पीड क्यों जरूरी है. आंसर, in the grassland there are a small number of trees to hide for animals from predators like lions, tigers, wolves, etc. So these animals have to run fast to reach a safe place and escape from their predators. Thus speed is important for survival in the grasslands for animals that live there. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.